This is the left side of the machine. As you can see, here are 3 ports. First, this one is the nitrogen inlet port, which you need to connect to the nitrogen cylinder. And here, this is the CO2 inlet port. You need to connect to the CO2 cylinder. And this one is the G1 air inlet port. And this port connects to the air compressor. This one is the G1 air gauge, which you can see the compressed air pressure. And this one is the nitrogen inlet gauge, which shows the nitrogen pressure before pressurization. And this one is the pressure gauge for nitrogen after depressurization. This one is the Waken gauge. And this one is the high pressure outlet gauge, which shows the fueling pressure. And this one is the G1 air regulator. We can regulate the G1 air pressure by this regulator. As you can see, we can decrease or increase the G1 air pressure. And this one is the nitrogen pressure reducing valve. We also can increase or decrease the nitrogen pressure by twisting this valve. And here are the valves, switch valves for the vacuum function, nitrogen fueling function. And this is for this gauge. And this is the unloading port valve. And here we can see the electrical switch. This is for the vacuum pump. This is for fueling, and this is for stop fueling. After we connect the cylinder that needs to be filled, we need to release the pressure first. Okay, then close this valve, and then we are going to vacuum the cylinder. And pay attention that this precision gauge valve must be off when you are going to use the vacuum pump. And now we turn on the vacuum switch and start the vacuum pump. As you can see, the pressure is decreasing. Okay, so now we can turn off this power switch of the vacuum pump and close the vacuum switch. So now we are going to fill the CO2, and we press this green button and open this gate. Okay, you see the weight is increasing. And when it reaches the set weight, it will stop automatically. Okay, so it stops. After the CO2 is filled, first regulate the nitrogen pressure by this valve. You can increase the nitrogen pressure or decrease, and then open this nitrogen switch. Then the nitrogen will be filled to the cylinder, and you can see the pressure by this valve. Okay, when the CO2 and nitrogen are all filled, we close this nitrogen valve, and then we close the valve on the cylinder. And then we can unload the pressure. So after unloading the pressure, we can take off the cylinder. Okay, now all the pressure are released, so we can take off this cylinder. Okay, now we can take off this cylinder.